Are you navigating the financial labyrinth of entrepreneurship? Effective cash flow management can be your guiding light. Raising capital is a steep climb. The right strategy is your gear. Maximizing profits isn't just a goal, it's a journey of growth. Discover how strategic planning secures your financial foundation. Learn to anticipate cash flow fluctuations and stay ahead. Unlock the secrets to attracting investors and securing funds. Harness the power of reinvestment to fuel your business's future. Balance cost-cutting with value creation for sustainable profits. Embrace technology to streamline operations and boost efficiency. Cultivate financial acumen. Let knowledge be your competitive edge. Mitigate risks with prudent financial practices and foresight. Transform obstacles into stepping stones for financial success. Join the ranks of savvy entrepreneurs who master their finances. Your entrepreneurial journey is unique. Let financial mastery pave your path.